International Big Mega Radio Smasher.
I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you.
Oh, I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you.
Dirty bit. Dirty bit.
I came up in here to rock, light a fire, make it hot. I don't wanna take no pictures, I just wanna take some shots. So come on, let's go, let's lose control. Let's do it all night till we can't do it no more. Keep on rocking to the sound, turn it up and watch it pound. We gon' rock it to the top until the roof come burning down. Yeah, it's hot in her, the temperature has got these ladies getting freaky.
I got freaky, freaky, baby. I was chillin' with my ladies. I didn't come to get bougie, I came here to get crazy. I was born to get wild, that's my style. If you didn't know that, well, baby, now you know now. 'Cause I'm having a good time with you, I'm telling you.
I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you.
Oh, I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you.
오빤 강남스타일, 강남스타일. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자, 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자. 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자, 그런 반전 있는 여자. 너는 선호해, 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해. 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해. 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해. 그런 선호해. 아름다워 사랑스러워, 그래 너, hey. 그래 바로 너, hey. 아름다워 사랑스러워, 그래 너, hey. 그래 바로 너, hey. 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까. 오빤 강남스타일, 강남스타일. 오빤 강남스타일, 강남스타일. 오빤 강남스타일. Hey, sexy lady. 오빤 강남스타일. Hey, sexy lady. 성숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자. 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자. 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자, 그런 감각적인 여자. 나는 선호해, 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선호해. 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선호해. 근육보다 사상이 울퉁불퉁한 선호해. 그런 선호해. 아름다워 사랑스러워, 그래 너, hey. 그래 바로 너, hey. 아름다워 사랑스러워, 그래 너, hey. 그래 바로 너, hey. 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까. 오빤 강남스타일, 강남스타일. 오빤 강남스타일, 강남스타일.
Gangnam Style.
Finally, a portable light for those hard-to-reach places that you can rub on anything.
What?
Introducing Rub Light. You can rub it on the wall, you can rub it on a ball, you can rub it on a stall, and that's not all. You can rub it on feet, you can rub it on meat, you can rub it on a cleat, you can rub it on the street.
Does rubbing turn it on?
No, the power switch does that.
Well, then what does rubbing
Have to do with it? It's the Rub Light. Oh, you can rub it on a chair, you can rub it on your hair, you can rub it on a stair, you can rub it in the air, you can rub it on a pickle, you can rub it on a nickel, you can rub it on a picture of the reaper with a sickle, you can rub it on a bagel, you can rub it on knob, you can rub it on corn or on the cob.
I don't get what the rubbing has to do with it.
Well, then you're an idiot. Because with Rub Light, you can rub it on a lime, you can rub it on a dime, you can rub it on people, you can rub it on time, you can rub it on a towel, you can rub it on an owl, you can rub it on a lady who is frozen in a scalp.
But why rubbing? Can you please just tell me?
You...
No! 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 No more! No more! Tell me why rubbing!
You...
No!
can rub it on a Furby, you can rub it on a chicken, you can rub it on a copy of the Subway Room Quicken, you can rub it on bread, you can rub it on salami, you can rub it on a Rubik's or a piece of origami, you can rub it on a glass, you can rub it on an ant, you can rub it on the frigo or the lemongrass.
Hey, it's fine. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. He just wanted you to know that you can rub it on your shirt. Rub it in the rub it on
Absolutely not! It's over! It is over!
Rub Light, only $49.99. Oh, no.
love your mama, who loves your pretty baby.